Hey guys, we got a GX460 Lexus. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because what's going on, they leaving these cars on full brakes and taking these rims and tires. So basically, yeah, the factory alarm, the only way it works is if somebody opens the door and that's it. But it doesn't work if somebody busts out the window, busts out the lock, or leaves the car on full brakes, which they certainly don't have to open any of the doors to do that. Somebody bangs on any of the tires, the alarm will fire off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it. Factory alarms have a delay when you arm it. And right in the center dash, you'll see a red light. It's gonna be solid red. Once the light starts flashing, and then it will be ready for you. You know, that delay is not ours, that's factory. We'll give it a few more seconds. Once it starts flashing, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window, and that will trigger the alarm again. It's gonna get ready to flash. It has like a 40-second delay from factory. Okay, it's already starting to flash. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass, and that will fire off the alarm. This shock sensor was added on here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on this 2020 GX460 Lexus.